What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibbon here with another awesome TP Global FX video. In my last video, I kind of went over a whole bunch of stuff. This one, I'm going to try to make a shorter video, just showing people what to do when it's time for them to sign up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to see if I can use my Microsoft Edge along with my last video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my video like if I was you, and I go and say I stumble upon my page or however you see my page, right? And I go to the video. Um, all right, you'll see the ad. You can, if you like the ad, check the ad out. If you don't like the ad, don't check the ad out. So you'll come to the video and you'll see my link, which is right here. So what I'm gonna fully do is just go to edit video, and I'm gonna go ahead and just get the whole link so that I can know what I'm putting inside of Microsoft Edge. And why I say Edge is because Edge, I'm not using Edge to do this. So what I see for the first time, the same thing you're gonna see. So you see this, you come in and you register right here, first name, last name, email address, select your county or country, city, phone number, right phone number. Make sure my affiliate code is there. So 314-520 needs to be here in this spot. Whatever's right here needs to be right here. Then you click interested. So here, what you do is put your name, unless you have a company. If you sign it up under the company, you just put all your company information. But if you don't have a company, put your name, 1 to 3, 3 to 5, more than 5. It was up to you. You know, most people 3 to 5. 3 to 5, 1 to 3. Average, we've been putting 10,000, and then clients been putting 10 clients. So then your verification code, you just go and just type in the same thing that's right there, and you click create account. And once you do that, you'll get your email, and then you'll be able to log into the account that I'm already in. And from here, I can go back to where we were just at and kind of finish off the rest of the video. All right, so once you log in, this is what it looked like. It'll just be blank. So what you do from this point, it's time to deposit. So you already have all this. You have your first emails coming through. You're going to get quite a few emails. No, okay, first, before you deposit, first thing you do is come there and do KYC. Click KYC. Do your upload, whatever you're going to upload, title it. I put driver's license, and then I did my back. It didn't, I mean, it really didn't ask me for it. I just sent both of them. I know it wanted the front, but I sent the front and the back. Then I select ID proof, and then I chose the file and put my expiration date and sent both. And they both went over there and they approved them like quick. It was quick. It was pretty quick. So KYC was done. Boom, then I'm done. Next step after KYC, now it's time to fund my account. All right. So what you do is you come down here and go to payments. Well, you can do this too before that. There's going to be a link somewhere on your dashboard. You can just click. No, you already did your IB accounts when you first signed up. So your IB information will be here on your dashboard. And then you'll start to see, you know, so far since my first video, 2 people have joined. So obviously they're getting funded and all that stuff now. So we'll see from that later. Right. All right. So you got your IB dashboard. I'm gonna go through the rest and start showing more information from them. That'll be already there. So next thing you need to do is do your payments. Of course, you know, your live account is what we were just showing you from right here. That's the only thing you need to worry about, that account number, this live account, because that's where your money's going to go into. All right, so you go down to payments. Then you go down here and click deposit. And when you go to deposit, you pick one of these. So like say I would tell you do USDT TRC20. If you got Bitcoin, do Bitcoin. But whatever one you put in is the only one you can get out. So you got to understand that. You got to remember that. You got to know that. So if you don't want to keep playing with BTC, don't use BTC. I did BTC, had some BTC. I could have still used change now and swapped it over to USDT. I had some USDT too. I just didn't want to touch it. So It just is what it is. Had some money in Cash App instead of Bitcoin that I just forgot was even there, and I just used it to put inside of there. So I use my Bitcoin over here, and I put it in there. Oh, right. Queen just had called, so I had to take that call. You know how that works. So USDT, TRC20, that's the one that you're going to use. Not going to even give you a chance. That's what you're going to use. You're going to use USDT, TRC20. Anyway, you take the wallet address, of course, go to your wallet, pay it. And once you pay it and you get your receipt, then you start filling all these things out. This right here is the web blockchain address for your Tron. So you'll have to get it from Tron Scan if you send a USDT TRC20. So if you send Bitcoin like I did, you'll get a blockchain one, or that new one. It's a new one that's been popping up lately. That Cash App uses. It looks funny, like some squares and stuff like that. Can't think of what it's called, but soon as I find out what it is, I'll bring it up in one of the videos. But that was the one that actually showed up, so it was a little different. So put all the information in here. That'd be the website to the hashtag. You put the hashtag in here, and then the website that the hashtag shows up in. Let me just go ahead and show it to you real quick. Go here, go to that. So of course that's the hashtag. So you'll take the hashtag, come back over here and put it in hashtag. Boom. That's the hashtag, right? And then what you'll do is you'll come back to here again. And this website right here at the top that goes to the hashtag is what you put inside the payment address, payment reference ID. Boom. Then you put how much money you sent USD dollars, and then your account number should be up there. She only had one. She only have one account. So if you create another account somewhere in the back, then of course you'll have two, but make sure your numbers coincide. I think that's how you're able to use both bots. You got to create another account and then you connect the other bot, like the smart bot. We are using the aggressive bot, so I'm not even using the smart bot. So once you do that, pay, boom, your money shows up by midnight. Yeah, it's gonna take quite a few hours. Money shows up as a broker. Obviously, it's overseas. It's not here. Their time frame is totally different. So your money will show up after you do that. You hit submit. It'll go, oh, take a picture or, do a screenshot, use snipping tool, whatever you use to get you a copy of the actual receipt. And then you choose file and upload it right here. And then after you do that, you're good. I mean, your money's already on the way. You just doing this extra precaution because they asked you to do it. And you submit, boom, wait, nothing else you can do at this point. So you come back, you like me, 12 o'clock at night, you get an email saying they sent your money. And I didn't see it until 4 o'clock in the morning. So I get up 4 o'clock in the morning, come inside of here, and it's like, okay, what's the next step? My money's in my account, it's right where I needed to be. Remember, we didn't change to wallet, we left it on account. So make sure you leave it on account, because we're not going to go back and go looking through all that again. Next thing you do is you come back to the video and you'll pick one of these addresses. Let me go back to them. Because you need to, okay, so that's right. We're not in the video, so it's not going to look like a link. So let's go. All right. So when you're here, show more, you'll see it here. So the Techtrades bots, there's another company that's using these bots. We're not that company. There's a minimum of $1,000, I think, to get in whatever company it is. But these bots can be used on different companies. What I'm saying, these are TPGLOBALFX is a broker. It's not a scam site or somebody acting like they're doing this or doing that. The bots belong to one person and the broker belongs to one person. So you have the block. So if you can do the smart box, it's up to 2%. If that's what the one you want to do, you'll just come over here and click on it. So you click on smart bot. Hopefully it goes to the blank page. Okay, so I've already been in this, so it's going to do something totally different. So what I'm going to do is highlight this. We're going to go back to Edge. Where you at, Edge? Here we go. Okay, Edge is over there. Still with that up on front. And then we'll come over here. And when you click on it for the first time, this is what you're going to see. So Ed, this is what you're going to see. It's perfect that it showed up just like this is how it's going to show up. So this trading account number is going to be your trading account. You're going to get your trading account number from your trading account, and you're going to put it there. So if you don't see it here, it's going to be in the email. Just go to the email. If not, you go to accounts, go to live account, and your trading account number is right there. So that's going to be the number that goes there. But then the password is going to be the password from the email. So the same password you use to go into here, you're going to get a bunch of passwords. One's going to say investor, one's going to say trading. You're going to use the trading password. So the trading password goes here. I mean, I wish I was going to type trading, but I can't type it because it's not going to show. So trading password, trading account number. That's what you need to hear. You click accept and click register. Boom. Once you do that, you're going to get a new screen that's going to be blank. And it's going to look just like, let's see. Thought I had one that was already open. Let me move this for a minute. All right, that's it. And my password. Confirm it. It's not the right password. Okay, so I'm going to have to hold on 1 second on this side. I don't know what I did, but I'm gonna keep it on this. You know, I'm not showing people my passwords. That's just stupid. Put it TP, so all my TP. I'm probably in the wrong email. Yeah. All my TP global stuff come up, so I'll go and find the one that sent me my passwords. They all come on one email, all your passwords. In details. No. It's not that one. It's not that. It's going to be your live account request approved email. So then you copy it. Go back over here. Password in there. Oh, confirm it. All right. So my password is in there correctly now. You're going to come and see. I just seen it earlier. It's not my account. Is it my account? I think it might be. No, it's not that. It's not what it's going to look like. Hold on 1 second. My portfolio. Yeah, that's it. Boom. This is what your page is going to look like when you first come in and log in. You're not going to have this because you didn't trade yet. So don't worry about that. You're going to have this, but this is going to say activate. So I can just suspend this now if I want to, but I'm not going to suspend it. One position copied, only that 63.34. That's probably one trade that did that. So it's going to say activate. All you do is click activate. Do not mess with none of this. Do not mess with none of this unless you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, don't touch it. Don't touch none of this. You don't touch none of that. Just click activate and you're in there. You don't do nothing else but just wait for your money to come. That's it. And then once your trades start taking, your money will start showing up in that account and it starts showing up in this account. And this is the big account that you can do your withdrawals from. So you can even withdraw all your money, withdraw that part right there. I mean, it's up to you what you withdraw. Withdraw that. So this, I'm going tomorrow. I'll let you know if it compounds because I want to see. Because if it does the 8% off of the 890, that means it compounds every day. So if it only does off of 823.68, which I'll probably be able to know, then I'll know it's not compounded. And I have to figure out, how to get this money from profit into here. So we got accounts, live accounts, leverage history, my trades. Oh, you even got my trades down here to show you the different 6-2 search. Okay, so maybe I'm doing something wrong. All right, I'll find more information about all that before that. Count transactions. Shows you the 823 that I put in there. But our total account now that's getting traded on is that account. So if it's compounding daily like that, when it's doing trades, that's going to be the bomb, people. It's going to be the bomb.com, .org, .biz. You know what I'm saying? If that's what it's doing. So we don't know. But that's it. After that, you're in, you're ready to go, about to make this money. You know what I'm saying? So with the Hyperbot is the one that we have, you have 6% daily target. And all this is in the comment of the YouTube video. It'll be in, it's in this one. It's going to be, I'm just going to recopy the same stuff, put it into my next video. Or you could do the smart bot, which is up to 2%. It's up to you which one you use. But we went with the Techtrades Hyperbot because we wanted up to 6%. And obviously we got 8% today. That's how it's working, how we kicking it, that's how we killing it. Hey, your boy Terrence Gibson saying like, subscribe, rock that bell, join our team. Hopefully this video helped you out. I'll have everything else in it, make it easier for when you read these directions to come through. I even put everything you're supposed to put in when you're doing your IB. Your IB. Oh, and also to show you, let me pull it from, I still got the photo of it. This is the compensation plan for the IBs. $3 per referral per lot that they trade today. So if it does one trade, and say if it's 3 lots, it's $9. If it's 1 lot, it's $3, of course. But say when you start getting 20, 30, 40 people on the first level, and then whatever on the second level, and then whatever on the third level. I mean, you talking about tens of thousands of dollars coming through in no time, just by people trading and getting basic numbers. Because you only need a certain amount of people to get a certain amount of numbers. So I'm trying to tell you, man, this thing is huge. This is huge, especially when you get split the broker's profits. When they split these profits, they are huge. Think about it. You're going to have people on your 10th level paying you 10 cents a lot. So say they're doing 3 lots, that's 30 cents a person. You know what I'm saying? If you got to think of it. By the time it get to level 10, it ain't gonna be like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then 1 down there you get 30 cents. No, I mean 10 cents. It's not gonna work like that. By the time you start hitting your 10th level, you got so many people on your team, it don't make no sense. No sense. So this is the comp plan for it. This is the comp plan for it. So hey, beautiful people, do your thing. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Do your homework. Check out TPGLOBALFX. Check your trader, your things you do to make sure trade. What you call it? Brokers are brokers. Do your homework on that, and then go from there. It's your boy Terrence Gibson saying like, subscribe, rock that bell, join our team. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's grow. You can't do nothing if you never start.